Gulf of Mexico? No way, it's Gulf of America. Hello everyone, welcome today the daily newspaper of Tuesday, January the 21st, 2025. We have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 Stars Sudoku, the 4 Stars Sudoku, and the JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. We have here the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cyber block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve. Not now, but in the evening. Now I will start with these 3 regular puzzles. The first one is the 3 stars Sudoku. 3 stars Sudoku number 9944. Yeah, 9944. 9944. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars has 25, this one is 27. Should be a 1 star puzzle. 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Question is this a 3 stars or a 1 star puzzle? We don't know, we'll see. So let's get started. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for 4 in this column should be there. So what are the other 3 missing numbers in this column? Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 9, and look at 2 and a 3 in this row. No 2 and 3 in this box. 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there, so 1 is left in this column for the number 9. 4, 4. Then we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left with a 3 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes and there. Then let's see. 6 in this row, 6 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left, 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there, 7 should be there, 7. Either 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below, so last row, the third row, the only 2 places left, 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, first column, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left, 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the middle row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, only 2 places left, 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the last column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 1. Alright, and now 2 in this column, first column, 2 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left 2 should be there. 3, 3, 3, 3. Then 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and a 3. We have a 7 and a 3 in the first column, so no 7 and 3 in these 3 boxes. 7 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 3, 7 and 3. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Need a 3 here. Then need a 4 here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 in these two boxes. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 in that box. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8, 8, and 2. Then let's see. 1, 2, 2. Need a 5, and I need a 4. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5. And look, this box can be a 2. We have 2 in this column, no 2 there. This box can be a 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. So 2 and 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 5. We have a pair in this column. We have a 5 and 8 in this column. The 5 and 8 in the middle column, so they'll come next. Only 2 places left. The 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes and there. 1 box left in this column for number 1. 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. Then 7 and 5. 2 missing numbers in the last row for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and 7, 5 and 7. We have a 5 in the third column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row between the only place level 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places level 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 7. Okay, 5 in this row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left. 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. In this column, we need a 5, the second column. These 2 boxes can be 5 because we have 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place level 5 should be there. 1 box left now in this row for the number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next, so the last column, the only place left for 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in this middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2 is missing. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row, 2 in the third row, the only place level 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 2. Alright. Then 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place level 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 4 in the third column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes and there. 2 missing numbers in the second column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 and 6, we have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 2 and the 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 2 and the 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 10 minutes. Well, this one is very quick to solve. We solve it again, we solve it again. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Let me give this a 0 stars. I'm faster than 14, 13 minutes. So well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other 2 regular puzzles, the 4 Star Sudoku and the JigSaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.